Psalms 113. 1. Praise ye the Lord. Praise, O ye servants of the Lord, praise the name of the Lord. Psalms 113. 2. Blessed be the name of the Lord from this time forth and forevermore. Psalms 113. 3. From the rising of the sun unto the going down of the same, the Lord's name is to be praised. Psalms 113. 4. The Lord is high above all nations, and his glory above the heavens. Psalms 113. 5. Who is like unto the Lord our God, who dwelleth on high? Psalms 113. 6. Who humbleth himself to behold the things that are in heaven and in the earth. Psalms 113. 7. He raiseth up the poor out of the dust, and lifteth the needy out of the dunghill. Psalms 113. 8. That he may set him with princes, even with the princes of his people. Thanks for watching.